This video will discuss the new connections and features that have been added to VAConnect version 6. Let's get started. In the startup page, we see that an all-bolted double-angle connection, a column splice connection, and a beam over HSS connection have been added to the program. Additionally, we see that end plate stiffeners are now shown for the bolted end plate connection. Double-angle bolted connections are designed according to the AISC 360 design specification and Part 10 of the Steel Construction Manual. This connection can be designed to resist both shear and axial load, with the interaction of these loads being considered when necessary. For example, when shear is present and the axial load is in tension, the bolts at the support are designed to resist combined shear and tension, considering the effects of prying. Furthermore, when the dimensional limitations of Part 10 of the manual are not satisfied, eccentricity on the supported side of the double-angle connection is considered using the instantaneous center of rotation method to determine the eccentric bolt group capacity at the beam side of the double angle and at the web of the beam. For more specific information on this connection, see the double angle bolted training video. The beam over HSS connection is designed to resist moment and axial load at the top of the HSS and checks the various limit states outlined in the AISC Design Guide 24. For this connection, the HSS column can support a W shape along its length or at its end. When supported near the end of the beam, the capacities of the beam side limit states are automatically reduced according to Design Guide 24 and the AISC 360 design specification. For more specific information on this connection, see the beam over HSS training video. The column splice connection designs the connection between two W-shaped columns of the same nominal depth that are attached at both flanges with splice plates. VAConnect assumes that the end of the columns are finished to bear on each other. This connection can be designed to resist shear in both the strong and weak axis directions, in addition to axial load and strong axis flexure. The elastic method is used to determine the resultant force on each bolt in the connection, which is checked against the bolt shear capacity and against the bearing and tear-out capacity for the splice plate and column flanges. Furthermore, the bolts closest to the end of the column are checked for tension considering the effects of prying action combined with bolt shear. For more specific information on this connection, see the column splice training video. The bolted end plate connection in VAConnect version 6 now supports both the 4-bolt stiffened and 8-bolt stiffened configurations in addition to the 4-bolt unstiffened configuration that was available in the previous version of the program. When end plate stiffeners are present, the appropriate yield line mechanism is used for the end plate flexure check, and the stiffeners themselves are checked to ensure that they have enough thickness and the welds to the end plate and the beam are adequate. This connection is designed to resist moment and shear according to the AISC Design Guide 4 for wind and seismic applications. In all configurations, the end plate and the column flange are designed so that thick plate behavior is achieved and the bolts are not subject to significant prying forces. For more specific information on this connection, see both the bolted end plate training video and the stiffened bolted end plate training video. In addition to adding the new connections and features to VAConnect 6, improvements have been made to the help file, which is accessed by clicking the button in the ribbon. We hope you enjoy the new connections and features of VAConnect 6. Thanks for watching and have a great day.